Welcome to the France 24 Observers. This show is based on our network of observers. They're ordinary people around the world who tell us what's going on and send in photos and videos to document it. We check it all here in Paris and bring the best to you. We start here today in Belleville, one of Paris's two big Chinese communities. Both are generally calm, but at the end of June, thousands of people gathered here to demonstrate. Things got out of hand, a sign of growing tension in the Chinese community. Our observer Alain Wong tells the story.
What we're calling for is security for everyone. In the last few years, there have been more and more attacks directed at Asians. Asians have become a target. It's happening because Asians do pretty well in economic terms. They keep their heads down and work hard. There are young Asians who are able to buy nice cars. The girls dress nicely, and that sometimes gets them the wrong kind of attention. The attackers think they'll find lots of cash in them or other valuables. Undocumented workers are targets for everyone. Thugs, robbers, the police. They're afraid for their safety in France. Very afraid. They're afraid to go out. The demonstration got out of hand because when it was winding down around 4:30, a group of young people had come down, got overexcited. A few bottles were thrown and some cars got damaged. We're trying to find a solution by talking to the authorities, but if nothing changes, we'll have to find another way to protect the community. Maybe by paying someone to protect and patrol certain neighborhoods.
We stay in France now but go to the south, where more than 24 people were killed last month in flash flooding after heavy rains. Our observer lives in the town that had the greatest loss of life. We head to Draguignan with Christophe, Mauvet.
It started raining around the middle of the day. First, the sky turned completely dark. I've never seen anything like it. And then it began to rain. The water rose very fast, and because Draguignan is in a basin with lots of steep roads, some streets were flooded. They were like rivers. I saw some unpleasant things. The town has been completely destroyed by mud and water. Cars piled on top of each other. Big trucks flipped over in groups of 3 or 4 at a time. People were panicking. They were hanging on to whatever they could so they wouldn't be swept away. It was like the end of the world. There's been an outpouring of help, and it's still going strong. Coachloads of volunteers come from all over. The military, firemen, police, everyone has been helping out. It's amazing what water can do. We'll never be able to stop floods like these. We should face facts and realize there's no point trying to find someone to blame. We'll never be able to stop nature. The only way to avoid floods completely is to build on top of Mont Blanc.
We end today with football, the World Cup. We've mobilized our observers around the world to help us cover the matches as they're being played in South Africa. They come from all camps, fans and doubters, cheerleaders and naysayers, but they all love their football. A quick tour of the world's fans, with our observers from Algeria to Mexico.
Ça ne parle que de football. 1, 2, 3, viva l'Algérie. Saadin, Chaouchi, nous sommes avec vous.
En que España pueda volver a hacer un buen papel. Que necesitamos muchos goles.
Oui, ça manque de chef, ça manque de cohésion, on sent pas un esprit d'équipe. La Dream Team, salée, chante l'hymne bleu sur le green.
Et aïe, 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 aïe.
Orientales, la patria, la tumba, libertado con gloria morir.
Vraiment, je suis pas un bon chanteur, mais je pense que avec les éléphants, on dira toujours que on gagne ou on gagne. Voilà, on gagne ou on gagne.
If you have something to say about your team in the World Cup, get in touch. Go to our website and send in your comments. Maybe you'll see it on France 24. See you next time.